Hi guys, cat. The moment cat is coming close now, the confidence level goes down with every mock score. Your confidence, your motivation level goes down. All I want you to do is keep yourself motivated till the end. That's my request to you. So let's break down the cat preparation. I've already made a 40 days ka overview. This is a breakdown into the weekly timetable which I wanted to follow. Today I want to do Venn diagram. So that's one topic. One sure shot set is there in the cat exam every year. One Venn diagram. It can be a 2D set, it can be a 3D set, any other things can come in the exam. So Venn diagram, set theory, tea, coffee, milk, wale, 3D, 2D. So that's something I want to cover up today. Then we have a quant Mahayagya today at 9:30 to 11 p.m. That's 9:30 to 11 p.m. So in case you want to attend, non-CAT student can also attend that. It's more of a strategy workshop. So first I'll give you a test. You have to solve a test, followed by the discussion strategy for the quant section. So you have to just, the link is given in the description box, the Zoom session where you can join us for the same. Tuesday is formula based DI and DI logic caselets, because caselets are very common in the CAT exam. And we are also launching our marathons. Fine. Marathon is basically the complete planning for the picking up one topic and going into the depth of that. So marathon ke naam pe we are doing circles, geometry this week, geometry, circles, volume, angles and triangles. So let's go 1.5 hour, 1.55 hour to 1 hour deep into every topic of that, solving CAT level questions, so that we are aware of these kind of topics, or agar wo question exam mein dikha to we can solve. So circles, very common in the CAT exam again, volume, angles, triangles. And then Sunday we have the marathon for time, speed, distance and profit and loss. Within time, speed, distance we are going to pick up the races ka question, race and profit and loss. These two topics we are going to cover up this week as a marathon, very high level. Apart from that, basic and advanced will continue for RC, okay, geometry and time, speed, distance. So mainly time, speed, distance and geometry I want to complete this topic this week, because 2 questions from geometry, 2-3 questions from geometry, and again 1 to 2 questions on time, speed, distance there in the CAT exam every year. So, and we are keeping our eyes and ears open for the non-CAT exam as well. So BODMAS and counting the figures will be done on Sunday. So if you can follow this weekly timetable, so we are covering up almost all the major topic of the CAT exam, covering almost 10 questions, which is 30 marks ka paper from the CAT exam. So there's a higher level 40 days plan. This is the weekly target. So if you're doing self-study, or in case you have joined a program, I just wanted to cover up these topics first this week. After this, if you get extra time, you can study whatever you want to study. And guys, trust me, ज़्यादा mocks के score की tension लो मत, mocks का score fluctuate होता रहेगा. Like today I got a message from a guy who was earlier getting 50 marks, but now suddenly started getting 30-25 marks. सर ये क्या हो गया, बर्बाद हो गया? नहीं भाई, तुम्हारी मेहनत बर्बाद नहीं गई है. We are still there in the race, so don't worry at all. Please don't think about all these things. Alright, all the best.